Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write query in Salesforce Inspector. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you have the Salesforce Inspector extension. And basically you need just to go to your browser extension web store, and basically for my Google Chrome, I will have it here. I can go to manage extension and then go to Chrome Web Store. From there, you can just search for Salesforce Inspector, and I will just go for Salesforce and add Inspector. And from there, we will need just to take this extension. Make sure to download the Salesforce Inspector Reloaded, which is just an update of the Salesforce Inspector. And basically, after that, you will need just to connect to your Salesforce Home, and then you will find this little side arrow. By there, you will need just to click on it, and from here, you will be able to start executing your queries. And simply, queries doesn't need any type in. All you need to do is to start choosing the object that you want to query from. So in my case, let's suppose that I want to query from the groups, and from here, I will just choose group, and then I will need just to click on show all data. By clicking on show all data, I will be able to see all the fields concerning this query. Now you can start choosing the fields that you want, or anything that you want to exclude. For example, you can filter by create by, for example, like that, and then you will need just to go and click on export. By going to export, you will be able to see all the fields, or to execute this query and see the objects that will be related to this query. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.